Proprietary trading firms, or prop firms, have a fascinating way of making money that hinges on a blend of skill, strategy, and innovation. At the core of their revenue model is the ability to leverage their traders' talents and the firm's capital to achieve substantial profits. Imagine a bustling trading floor where every trader is working with the firm's own money, executing trades in various financial markets. The profits from these successful trades are the primary source of income for prop firms, and it's a thrilling environment where each decision can lead to significant financial gains. But it doesn't stop there. Prop firms also thrive on a profit-sharing model with their traders. Picture this. A talented trader makes a series of smart moves and racks up impressive gains. The firm then shares a percentage of these profits with the trader, creating a win-win situation where both the firm and the trader benefit. It's a system that aligns everyone's interests, driving traders to excel and pushing the firm to support them with the best resources and training. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Speaking of training, many prop firms offer robust educational programs to their traders. These programs aren't free, of course. New traders often pay fees to learn cutting-edge trading strategies, master risk management, and get acquainted with proprietary trading platforms. This not only helps the firm generate steady revenue, but also ensures that their traders are among the best in the business. Some prop firms have another revenue stream, subscription fees. By providing access to their advanced trading platforms, tools, and data feeds, they create a consistent income regardless of how the market is performing. Traders get the benefit of top-notch resources, and the firm enjoys a reliable revenue stream. In addition to profit sharing and training fees, performance fees are another piece of the puzzle. Imagine a trader who outperforms expectations. The firm may charge a performance fee based on the trader's success, taking a percentage of profits that exceed a certain benchmark. This incentivizes traders to push their limits and achieve exceptional results. Leverage is another tool in the prop firm's arsenal. By trading with significant leverage, they can amplify potential returns. This approach requires sophisticated risk management to ensure that losses are kept in check. It's a high-stakes game where the potential for large profits is balanced by careful oversight and advanced modeling. Prop firms are also known for their roles in market making and arbitrage. Picture them as the facilitators of the market, always ready to buy or sell securities and profiting from the small differences in the bid-ask spread. Their arbitrage strategies, which exploit price discrepancies in different markets or instruments, are a testament to their expertise and agility. Finally, technology and algorithms are at the heart of many prop firms. They invest heavily in developing automated systems that can execute trades with lightning speed and pinpoint accuracy. These systems are designed to take advantage of even the smallest market inefficiencies, ensuring that the firm stays ahead of the competition. In essence, prop firms are a dynamic blend of talent, technology, and strategic thinking. They create an environment where skilled traders can thrive, leveraging their expertise to generate impressive profits while managing risk with precision. It's a thrilling world where every trade counts and innovation drives success. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.